Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to apply a screensaver in Windows 10. So, let's get started. First, right-click on the desktop. You will see a box appear. In this box, you will see lots of options, but you need to click on the Personalize option. Now, the personalization settings will appear. On the left side, you will see several options, but you have to click on the lock screen option. Then the lock screen settings will appear. Scroll down and click on Screensaver Settings. Now the Screensaver Settings box will appear. Set the lock screen settings as you want. First, I am going to choose the Ribbons option, but there are various options available. You can also customize the screensaver in the settings. Now I am going to set the timing for my lock screen. This means choosing when this feature will appear. I am going to set it to only 1 minute. Click on the Apply option and then click OK. Wait for 1 minute and then you will see the screensaver. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.